Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can easily create a video, more like edit, but like you don't really edit it because CapCut does it for you. So there's this new feature called the shortcut feature right here. And I'm just going to select that, and I'm just going to select a few pictures. And then I'm just going to press the next button and it'll just analyze the clip. And you can choose from a lot of templates. I think it's pretty cool, so you don't have to, edit it yourself. And just let it generate. This one's taking a little bit longer. Okay. And you can also click the more templates button here to find more templates. So let's just load. And there will be just more templates that you can choose from, and it'll also automatically add a sound to it. Obviously you can't hear it because don't want to get copyrighted, but you can change it in default sound and replace, and just find any songs you want, or you can even extract sound from video. And I'm just going to press export, this top right corner. And you can export it without watermark, but it'll go straight to TikTok, or just export, but it'll have the watermark. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!